Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get the Ics icon link to sync your Google Calendar. This is a great way to connect your calendar with other apps and keep your events updated automatically. Let's get started. In Google Calendar, to get the Ical and Ics link, all we need to do is click on the calendar we want to share or integrate. We click the three dots and go to Settings and Sharing. When we scroll down to the bottom, we will see our Ical and Ics links. Here are the Ical and Ics links. The public address is right here. We just need to scroll down to find it. Now we can copy this link and use it to integrate with other platforms. And that's how we get the Ics and Ical link to sync our Google Calendar. With this simple method, we can easily connect our calendar across different platforms.